Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Bailey made a request in the comments for NextEra Energy. Thank you, Bailey, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $137 billion, NextEra Energy is a S&P 500 company within the utilities industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 1.1%. Earnings growth, 3%. Earnings estimates, 9.05%. Return on capital, 7.91%. Debt to free cash flow, negative. Share buybacks, no. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.44%. Payout ratio, 60.54%. Growth rate, 11.96%. Growth years, 27 years. That gives NextEra Energy 5 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, NextEra Energy is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 8%, compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on NextEra Energy in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.